in today's video, we're going to be talking about titles. Are you maximizing your title real estate? If you are new or returning, welcome here at It's All Primary. We talk teacher side hustles. And Seller Spy has a new feature called Title Analyzer, and I'm going to show this to you in just a moment or two. And when I started looking at this analyzer, it actually spurred me and reminded me that I am guilty of not utilizing the real estate that our titles give us, right? We have 80 characters, 80, to write a keyword-rich title that ideally will lift or bump our product into the algorithm or connect with the algorithm to get us onto that first page, the coveted page. Your title, product description, snippet, cover, these are all really important to be fully optimized in order to get yourself onto those first couple pages on TPT so that your products get seen. We're about to hit 10 million products in the search results, and you don't want to get yourself buried. Let's get yourself on the page. So let me turn the camera around and we'll look at the title analyzer in Seller Spy. All right, we are in my store and I am looking at this Domino edition, adding to 12. I'm going to see if I can analyze. I'm going to analyze this title, see if I can get it a little bit better shape. Let me see if I can get it up the ranks a little bit. Let's go over to Seller Spy. We're going to go to Keyword Explorer and we're going to type in there. No, we're not going to Keyword Explorer. We're going to go to Title Analyzer here on the left. Okay. So I'm going to put in my title, and I've forgotten it already. Let's go back over here. Okay, excuse me, Domino Edition to 12, Introduction to Adding No Prep. Whoops, it did it again, so let's get that out of there. I was going to say it's not 80 characters, that's shocking. Okay, so it's just a little bit over half. Let's run the analysis. And I think one of the questions I'm going to get asked is, do you need to use all 80? No, but if you want to try and get ranked for more possible keywords, maybe you want to consider getting it closer to 80. Let's scroll down a little bit. And this is what I like here. So they're telling me that I have 6 keywords found in my title. I see like 3. And one is high, so introduction is a high competition word. I'm going to have a hard time ranking for that. That's okay. But if you look down here, see, it's 223,000. Yeah, not likely I'm going to rank for that. And then I have 4, adding, addition, domino, and no prep. So adding, again, over 1 million. That's tough. Addition, over 1 million. No prep, over 1 million. So my chances of getting ranked for any of those 3 keywords is slim to none. And then, but Domino is not bad. Now it's only at 11,000. Domino Edition is at 4,200, which is why I used that one in the first place. So I have a couple, but I have nothing for low competition. Now, if I go back to TPT, let's see if I can find out where it ranks. I don't expect to be on the first couple. No. Pfft, shocking. I'm not on. Oh, first of all, so Domino Edition to 12, I rank. Yes, that's true. Okay, I'm on the first page. Domino Edition to 12 is not a high searched word. Okay, like if I go in here, back to this, Domino Edition is the only one in here, nothing past it. But so if I go here, Domino Edition, I am not going to rank. But let's just see, where am I? I get decent sales, but I don't get a lot of views on it unless it's on sale and my email list sees it, which makes me think it's not showing. And honestly, if you're not on the top 3, your views are going to be really slim. So yeah, I'm not here. I don't even have to keep scrolling. I know I'm not here. I don't even, like I said, I don't even think I'm going to be in the top 5. Domino Edition. There is a chance later on, if I can get more sales and more reviews. I only have 1 review. This is a problem. Because reviews count. See, I'm already page 5. I don't even think I'm in the top 10 pages. Oh, there I am. Okay, what page is this? 6? Okay, considering I have 1 review, page 6 isn't bad, but that's why I'm not getting enough views. I'm too far down the road. So I really need some more. Reviews. That's always, I'll see what I can, I have an idea. And if it works, I'll tell you about it, okay? So is there anything that I can also rank for? So Domino Edition to 12, I rank for, okay? I'm on the first page for that, that's great. Back here, adding, I can't, it's too big. Domino, I'm not gonna rank for. So a lot of these words I'm gonna have a hard time ranking for. And this is why I like this. It's making me face reality here. This product, unless someone types in a Domino Edition to 12, they're not gonna see this. That's what I want you to do if you happen to have Seller Spy. I want you to go in, take a couple of your products and do this, because often people say to me, how come I'm not getting sales? Well, where are you ranked on TPT? And one of the things I could do is I could add another word, but words like printables and worksheets are really high as well. So they're not going to help me. Okay? I don't think they would by adding the word worksheet. Because again, if I go to TPT, people are not typing anything past Domino Edition. Like even if I do Domino Edition to 18, which again, it's not being searched, I wouldn't rank. It's less, right? I could make something there, but again, unless someone has to type that specifically, the number is low. The number is really low. It's under 1,000. People aren't looking for it. This is what I wanted to show you, this title analyzer. And she gives you action steps. Add more keywords. So you got to do a little bit of research, find out what other keyword are you missing that is in your product that you could add to your title. I need to find a low competition keyword. Okay? I don't have one. You don't want to have too many high competition. You actually want a kind of a balance. If you could get 1, 1, 1, if you have 3 or 2, 2, 2 or something like that, that would be ideal. And again, the more keywords, the better. Having 6, I'm happy having 6. I honestly thought I had 3. So there you go. Let me show you another quick one, which I'm going to probably use next week. And that is this one right here, Word Ladder CVC Short Vowels. This is currently on the 6th page for Word Ladder's CVC and the 2nd page for Word Ladder's Short Vowels. So it's like, do I play with it or not? But let's just see how the title is. And as you can see, the length is really short. I'm not utilizing my keywords here. So, and yet, this is what's interesting. I have 7 keywords in those short amount of words. 2 are high, short and word, obviously. 5 are moderate, Word Ladder, CVC, vowels, Word Ladder's short vowel CVC. So that's actually quite interesting. Are people looking for it? Doesn't even look like people are looking for it. I'm going to try and bump up my ranking with this. So I'm just giving you a little snippet of what this one is. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. The first time I looked at that tool, I was thinking about this. Why do I need this? Why do I need this? And then it just took me a bit to think about this idea of having keywords that are high competition, mid competition, low competition. And honestly, I looked at some of my old titles and there are no low competition. I'm trying to rank for high competition words. And that's what I like about this tool, because I had to think about what were some low competition words that I could try and rank for. So I may not necessarily rank for this, but maybe I can rank for that, right? So if you have Seller Spy, check it out. Upcoming videos. There's a few happening. I'm trying to batch some videos because I'll be going on holidays. I'm taking my dad to the prairies to see his family and to see some of my relatives for a couple weeks, so I will not be online pretty much at all, which will be interesting. We'll see how that goes. I'll update you. But I'm trying to get some videos done. But there's a Google Slides coming. There's a TPT store review coming. There is a summer planning coming in a week or so. And if you like this video, I think you're going to like the next video because it's a follow-up to this one. It's actually an experiment that we're going to do in TPT. So I'm going to give you a homework assignment. So if you are up for this, what I want you to do is I want you to go through some of your data, look at one or two of your products that maybe haven't gotten a lot of sales. And then what I want you to do is I want you to try and go through the search. So type your own product in the search and see if you can find yourself. You can look at search for the first 40 pages, I think it is, which if you're not in the first 40, and I have products that are not even in the first 40 pages because I've looked. But ideally, if you can find a product or two that are on maybe within the pages 10 to 15 or 10 to 20, we're going to see if we can fix that next video, okay? But before I forget, I'm going to be speaking at the Teacher Seller Summit happening during the first week of June. I'm going to be talking on what else? Getting views on trending products. And if you are interested in it, the tickets are free. 30 speakers, lots of different topics. There'll be a link down below. So wherever you are in the world, I hope you and your family are staying safe, being healthy, and we'll catch you in that video or the playlist.